This device on your wall knows when you wake up, when you leave, and what temperature makes you comfortable. It learned all of that in 3 days.
Google Nest has saved customers over 100 billion kilowatt hours of energy worldwide. It all starts with a device most people never... Today, Process Pulse Factory takes you inside the facility where one of the world's most intelligent home devices is born.
Diana has spent 15 years building the devices that make modern homes smarter. The homes she's never visited run better because of her work.
Every morning on her drive-in, Diana passes homes running on devices her line built. She never stops noticing.
Her children sleep through winter nights at exactly the right temperature. The thermostat on their wall came off.
Shift starts. And somewhere on this floor, a Nest thermostat that will one day hang in someone's home begins its journey. The noise floor is excellent. We have a confirmed pass.
Great work. This batch is ready for integration.
This circular design allows for a 20% increase in throughput, minimizing waste during the bonding phase.
Verified. Take this to receiving bay 7.
The 6 sensors are installed in precise sequence: temperature, humidity, proximity, ambient light.
Precision alignment fixtures ensure every subassembly seats correctly before the automated fastening sequence begins. The engineer installs the signature rotary ring, which then immediately undergoes a precise automated torque test to ensure long-lasting performance.
At the final inspection stage, every Nest thermostat undergoes rigorous review. We verify the display appearance
Somewhere behind that door stone,
The next generation of Nest learning algorithm is already being developed. We were not permitted past this point.
Before going further, we signed a legal agreement. Some of what makes a Nest thermostat intelligent is protected more carefully than the hardware that runs it.
This engineer has designed hardware systems inside the Nest thermostat for 9 years. He can explain what the device senses.
Every Nest thermostat sensor is calibrated against NIST Traceable Reference Standards O, because a temperature sensor that
Google tests Nest thermostats in mock home environments representing 40 different home types, from small apartments to large. Devices passed hundreds of component tests. A single system-level performance failure during qualification testing ended their journey permanently, right here.
Before the Nest thermostat, there were over 200 rejected prototypes. Some looked nothing like what was eventually released.
The sensors collect more than the app displays. What we show users is what's useful to them. What we collect is what's useful to the system.
Google purchases and fully disassembles every major competitor smart thermostat, analyzing sensor configurations,
Every Nest firmware update is cryptographically signed before it reaches any device. The signing keys are global.
The machine learning model that makes Nest smarter over time is retrained continuously on anonymized data.
We were told this lab runs accelerated lifetime testing on unreleased Nest hardware. The blind closed before we could identify which generation was being tested.
Every night, automated systems run Nest firmware against thousands of test scenarios across hundreds of physical devices.
Google runs digital twin simulations of thousands of home types, testing how algorithm changes will affect energy savings.
The Nest doesn't just record your schedule. It builds a probabilistic model of your behavior.
Look at
the deviation on this temperature lock.
It's correlating with the spike we saw in chamber 3. The reference sensor confirms the offset.
If we look at the uniformity map here, the deviation is less than 2%.
Yes, the calibration seems precise across the entire surface.
The torque measurement shows a clear deviation.
That's outside the acceptable threshold. Reject Unit 7.
The thermal bridging on the wood paneling is negligible, but the drywall shows significant heat transfer.
Following the 2019 review, this controlled atmosphere bonding station maintains sub-ambient humidity levels, crucial for OLED integration.
This capacity alert means we missed the launch window.
What are the alternatives for the next quarter? We need options now.
We can shift to the secondary, but the cost increases significantly.
The algorithm is compensating perfectly for the older transformer.
Recording the successful cycle now. Let's move on to the next configuration.
The rotary encoder performed flawlessly through this Theranos budget, but during this threaded cycling test.
The demand response program is fully engaged. We're seeing significant load reduction across the residential sector.
Good. Google's partnerships support tens of thousands of jobs, strengthening the local economy and fostering a skilled manufacturing workforce.
And from here, you can easily adjust the schedule or monitor your energy usage through the app.
Thermostat, please set the temperature to a comfortable 22 degrees Celsius.
We are committed to ensuring your Nest thermostat gets smarter, not obsolete, with a minimum of 10 years of software support.
Google's program recovers over 85% of material from returned Nest products by weight, recapturing metals, plastic.
You just turn the dial here to set the temperature you like. It will learn your preferences.
Oh, that seems easy enough. Thank you both so much.
Are you hungry, sweetie?
Here's your juice. It's nice and warm in here.
The logs won't show this, but check the tension on the blue wire. I'll double check it.
Monitor the temperature on the Nexus component. It's running hot.
What did you make today, Mommy?
Look, I made this Nest thermostat. It helps keep homes warm.
Morning, how is the line running today? Everything optimized.
Yes, ma'am. Running perfectly smooth at 95% efficiency.
10 million thermostats. Incredible work by the whole team.
Back then, we didn't have the simulation tools you have today. We had to calculate every variable by hand.
Here, we calibrate this sensor first to ensure linearity. If the
input doesn't match the guys.
Looks like a perfect run. Congratulations, Diana.
Thank you. We're ready for the next phase.
Wait, look at the screen.
Is that a smiley face?
You've seen how it's made. Now tell us, Steve, what surprised you most about what goes into the thermostat on your wall? Drop it in the comments. We read every single one.
The extended cut, including the full prototype archive and the restricted environmental lab footage, is available exclusively for Process Pulse Factory members.
Process Pulse Factory. Every week better. A new facility. A new world hidden inside the objects sharing your home.